In this video, we are going to review how to select the rows in your recipe. When it comes to using SmartMiner, the rows are perhaps the most fundamental aspect of creating your recipe. You will need to identify the data attributes you wish to collect, such as style, price, name, etc., as you see on this page. Notice how when the mouse moves over the page, a dashed box appears. Once you have identified the elements of a row, press the Shift key to mark the row as selected. You will see a gray box around the data. Again, press the Shift key on the keyboard once the dashed box surrounds the information you want to include. Back on the SmartMiner screen, notice the Select Parent-Child section. Try clicking the up and down arrow buttons. You will see the gray area on the target page expand and shrink. Keep in mind the gray area should only cover one row of data. In this case, if you clicked up, the gray area covers all the rows. That's not what you want. If you click the down arrow, the gray area covers the product image or may disappear. That's also not what you want. Click the up arrow until the gray area covers all the data in a single row. Pay particular attention to the Identifiers section on the SmartMiner screen. It tells you what HTML tag and CSS classes are being selected in the gray area. If you click on the LI HTML tag, all of the rows will be surrounded by blue borders. You just told SmartMiner to select all of the LI HTML tags as your rows. Looks promising, but if you scroll to the bottom of the page, you will see that SmartMiner also selected the navigation areas. That's because those areas are also using LI tags. Go back to the Identifiers section on the SmartMiner screen and click on the CSS class called JSS121. Great news! The navigation areas are no longer selected. Scroll to the bottom of the SmartMiner screen and click on the Preview tab. You should see a list of rows with one column of empty cells. This is exactly what you want to see at this point. Now you are ready to move to columns and begin to actually populate the data.